Hi guys, this is the unboxing of the BlockFi credit card. This is the world's first cryptocurrency credit card with rewards in Bitcoin. Most probably you would need a BlockFi account for this, and the advantages are that you get 1.5% cashback in Bitcoin forever, and that's unlimited, and for the first 90 days you would get 3.5% up to a maximum of $100. So that's there, and then there is no annual fees, and I guess there is no foreign transaction fee either, and you get an extra 2% cashback, extra 2% interest on stable coins on BlockFi with this. So yeah, so this is the unboxing. I just ripped it off, and so it's an unmarked envelope, and this looks pretty neat, just like the crypto.com card. This is a Visa signature card, so whatever benefits of a Visa signature card, it comes with it, with like lounge access and all the other things with Visa signature. And this is how it kind of opens up. It's pretty neat. And so you need to activate it with your app. Yeah, and that's about it. So that's the BlockFi Visa signature Bitcoin cashback card, and I would leave my referral link down. If you can use that, that'll be great. I would appreciate that. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.